Haven't we got a lovely van? Really, really nice van. Oh my god. What's happened to the sliding door? Yeah, the sliding door the mechanism has broken this morning. Saturday morning. The worst time for it to happen, because probably the mechanics' garages are all closed. But even if they were, they probably won't be able to fix it anyway, because these mechanisms are probably not things that most mechanics have. This little part fell off. Oh god, I can't see what I'm filming, sorry. That part fell off. I don't think that is the complete part. I think the outer bit has come off. I'm going to try to put that back on and, oh god, and see if I can lift up the sliding door again. I'm going to film it from over here. It's already started to pull the panel out, if you can see it. Oh god. I'll show you how it's starting to pull the panel out. Go sideways. You can see how it's pulled the panel out. It's quite a lot. That, look at that. Oh my god. I don't know if anybody can have a look there and see what they think. Is it just that that round thing has lost its outer casing and I just need to replace that, or is there more to it? Very, very hard to see. What does it look like? See, it's running on the body of the van now. What a bloody disaster. Just what I didn't need. If anyone can help us, offer some advice, I'd be very, very grateful, because we're stuck. Don't know if we can drive with it. Don't know if it's going to fall off. Probably won't fall off, but I don't want to have to use it too much, because every time it's used, every time we open or close it, it's going to damage the van. So any help would be greatly appreciated.